I wish I was a bird. Guys!
I love birds.
Guys!
They love me. When they tweet, they say, "Hey Leslie, cocktails
There you go.
and cockatiels."
Public Access TV presents Cocktails and Cockatiels with Leslie Furfsflee.
Well, thank you, Mr. Big Voice Man. I'm Leslie Furfsflee, and this is Cocktails and Cockatiels, a show all about my favorite two things, cocktails and cockatiels. This one's named Bernardo, but this one's named Crackers, because he's a little crazy.
Joining us on the show today is a very special guest. His name is Dr. Richard Quiggles.
Thank you, Leslie. Thanks for having me on the show.
Your name is so funny.
Your name is Quiggles. It's so silly.
That's my name.
What is your favorite bird? Which one's your favorite?
Well, I'd probably have to say my favorite.
Mine's a cockatiel. Because that's so much fun.
The cockatiel, they're very popular. They're a member of the cockatoo family.
Richard! You can't say that on TV.
What?
You said cockapoo.
No, I said cockatoo.
He thinks it's a giant worm. Let's talk a little bit about regurgitation.
Okay, yeah. That's how baby birds, their moms, feed them. Through regurgitation.
That's how they feed their young. That's how I was fed. They feed them, they're like, bleh, bleh, bleh. There's your dinner. Do you want to see me do it?
No.
Here,
No,
come here.
You don't have to.
Okay, open up.
No.
He's not really hungry right now because he had that big worm earlier. Do you think there will ever be a time when there will be cockatiels big enough for us to ride? Like, guys! Like with like a saddle? If I said like a saddle? Oh, hi.
No, that'll never happen.
Why not?
Well, cockatiels are pretty small right now.
Well, yeah.
They'd have to mutate quite a bit to get to that size.
Like that movie.
Yeah, that could happen.
That's great.
That could happen.
That is great.
I wish I was a bird. Sometimes when I'm at work, I just move my head like a bird. I can only look forward. I can't look in the direction. My eyes don't move. My eyes don't move. Oh no!
Sometimes he is just a pain in the wax. Well, that's all the time we have for today, kids. I hope you see you next time. Be sure to have a cocktail and a cockatiel. Come on, let's drink. Let's get drunk and see what happens.
I'm okay.
We can feed our birds.
Oh.
I love birds.